Let's get this episode of DIY Sci started with a little fire. Watch this. Here's our powder, and here's the flame. And nothing happens because it's not flammable by itself. It's a powder called lycopodium. But if we distribute this powder in the air like that, you get oxygen surrounding each particle. Oxygen and that fuel and a little bit of heat, that's a perfect combination. Watch this. Are you ready? Don't try that at home. But today on DIY Sci, you did it! We've got plenty of hot science. Here we go! You can do at home. Jump! We're at Science Museum, Oklahoma, and this is DIY Sci! I'm Steve Spangler, and I love blowing stuff up with the power of science. I'm gonna show you how you can do it yourself. Bam! You can harness the power of science in your own home with DIY Sci. Yeah! Hi, I'm Steve Spangler. Welcome to DIY Sci. We are at Science Museum, Oklahoma in Oklahoma City. I love science museums like this because they're a perfect opportunity to be able to explore so many different kinds of science. Every exhibit in this museum is designed to get you thinking about an experiment you can try at home. Like this one, how can you get a ball to bounce super far? Take a ball, hold it out like this, like a basketball, and let go, and notice where it bounces. Notice that it will never come up higher than its starting point. That's because some of the energy is lost during the collision when it hits the ground. Well, believe it or not, you could use some of that energy and transfer it to another ball, like this one here, by simply stacking them together. You could try to hold them like this, but the trick is this little hairband right here. So put the hairband on top, like this. Put the other ball on top. It holds it in place. And now watch what happens. When you drop, the energy from the bottom ball is transferred to the top ball. And it shoots up much higher because of that transfer of energy. So if you could do two of them, what would happen if you could stack three and change the height from which you drop it?